Hi everyone. In this tutorial, we will show you how to activate Dev Mode in Wix. When we enable Dev Mode, we get access to features like custom code, databases, and backend functionality, making our websites more dynamic. Let's get started. Once we are on the Wix dashboard, we go to our website. To do this, we just click on our website. On a dashboard, we select Site and Mobile App, or just click the app. When we are ready, we will see a new website overview. Click on Edit Site and wait for it to load. When the site editor opens, we will see the template. Next to our site name, if we are not premium users, we may not see the Dev Mode option in the editor. While asking the AI on the editing site, we might notice that Dev Mode, or Velo coding, is not available in this version of the editor. If we are premium users, we can see the Dev Mode on the upper left. I will show you an example for this. As you can see, premium users will find the Dev Mode option next to the settings. When we see this option, we just turn it on. Once Dev Mode is on, we can use the coding icon and add the code we want to our editing site. That is how we activate Dev Mode in Wix. With Dev Mode enabled, we can build more advanced and customized features for our site.